Hello guys, and welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Guys, today let's talk about a new website that was just launched 3 hours ago, and this website is called Lundin Gold. So with Lundin Gold, you would just be given the opportunity to invest a minimum amount of 15 USDT to earn 3 USDT daily. Click on the description of this video. You're going to find the registration link there. Tap on the link and it brings you to this registration form. So you just need to fill in your email address, enter your password, confirm your password, and you put in a transaction password, which is the password that will be needed whenever you want to make a withdrawal. And this is my referral code there, 639784, to make sure you use that code to join. And then you also add your Telegram username. So your Telegram username is what begins with @ so let's say @David. So you just put it there and then you tap on sign up. So when you tap on sign up, guys, it's going to take you to the dashboard of the of lundingold.com. This is the dashboard. But before I continue this video, guys, if this is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button and don't forget to like this video as well and share this video with your friends out there. My link is all about, on my site, it's all about sharing sites that you can make money from. We have long-term sites and then short-term sites, but make sure that whatever amount that you put in there, make sure that you put in money that you can afford to lose. I'm not a financial advisor, please take note of that. Okay, so guys, this is what we've gotten now. So this is the page here. You can read more about the company over here. So what you need to do now is to recharge. So the minimum recharge is 15 USDT. So when you tap on recharge here, you can find the recharge address there. Just copy it and then you go to your wallet, exchange wallet, and make the payment of 15 USDT to this address. So when you make that payment, you just go back and then you come to mine, then you refresh. So I'm going to make a payment of 15 USDT, and once it's completed and I'm done, it's going to reflect here. I'm going to refresh the page and it's going to reflect it. So give me some few minutes to make the recharge of 15 USDT. I'll be right back. So guys, you can see as I just refreshed my page now, I've been credited with my 15 USDT recharge, and my balance here, my wallet balance is 15 USDT, as you can see now. So what do I do next now? I just need to go and then purchase the investment. So I click on investment, and then I'm eligible to purchase in level 1, which is 15 USDT, and it's valid for 90 days. 90 days. I'll be earning $3 every day. So I tap on investment here. Okay, then I click on rent. Then I click on rent again. Okay, so my principal of 15 USDT will be given back to me at the end of cycle of 365. That's in a year. So I tap on rent. So as you can see now, it has been purchased successfully. So you can see here now total investment of 15 USDT. Okay, so let's click on income. So 15 USDT. I click on mine. Okay, so when we refresh the page now, you can see now that my total investment is 15 USDT, and then I have automatically 3 USDT in my wallet balance. So you don't need to perform any tax here. It's just free. Once you purchase an investment, you recharge, you purchase an investment, your wallet will be credited with the earnings you are supposed to receive. So you can see now I have 3 USDT in my wallet right now. So let's withdraw. But before we withdraw that, we need to add our withdrawal method, which is wallet management. Here you tap on wallet management and you tap on add a withdrawal method. Okay, so remember it's USDT and then TRC20 network. So you just paste your Tron address here and then type your transaction password here as well, then submit this. Good, and you can see I've added a withdrawal method. So take note that the withdrawal method cannot be edited. So you need to make sure that you are inputting the right withdrawal method there. Okay, so let's click on withdraw now. So we want to withdraw at 3 years. So I'm taking note that the minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT on this website. So anything less than 1 USDT, you wouldn't be able to withdraw. So let's withdraw now to see if our withdrawal will go through. Okay, so we input the amount, our payment password, and then we choose our withdrawal method. So when we choose our withdrawal method, we choose this here. Good, so we input the amount here, which is 3, and then payment password here as well. The payment password is the transaction password you created when you were registering an account. Submit, and let's see how it goes. Good. So you can see now application for withdrawal successful. Our balance will automatically go back to 0 because our withdrawal has been successful. So when we click on back, I'm going to share your referral link with your friends. Tap on team, and you can find a referral link here. Just copy the referral link, and then you can paste it on your various social media handles to, for your friends to join. So we have three referral methods: Team A, Team B, and Team C. All these with their various commissions you receive whenever anyone joins using your referral link. So guys, that's it about this website called Lundin Gold. So you just create an account. The description of the video, you find my referral link there. Tap on it, create an account, your email address, your password and transaction password. You input my referral link or code, and then you register. After that, you just recharge. The minimum recharge is 15 USDT. You recharge. After recharging, you go to investment, and then you buy the investment package you want to buy, which is level 1 for 15 USDT, and automatically you'll be credited with 3 USDT. And this 3 USDT can be withdrawn instantly, immediately, and your withdrawal will be received in your account within 1 to 3 minutes. That's the good thing, guys. Minimum withdrawal is 1 USDT. So you join this, guys, and if you have any questions, you can hit me up in the comment section of this video, and I'll be available to answer all your questions. Like I said earlier, if today is your first time coming across my YouTube channel, kindly hit on the subscribe button. Don't forget to like this video and share this video as well out there to all your friends to also enjoy or make some money from this website. I have a Telegram channel, so I'll be posting my Telegram link there. If you want to find ways, other ways to make money online, join my Telegram channel where I'll be sharing tips and ways to make money online. Thank you guys for watching this video, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye.